Hello beautiful souls, it's Mommy on a Journey and welcome back to my cozy kitchen. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for content on personal development, healthy plant-based eating and anything in between. So today, I have a towel on because I'm trying to put TJ to sleep. I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to put him to sleep, so bear with me. So today we are making tofu. I've never had tofu before. It's my first time trying it and I don't know how to feel about it. So I got tofu and we are trying it. I got inspiration for this recipe from a YouTuber called The Chick Natural or The Chick Natural. I'm not really sure how you say it, but The Chick Natural, and she is a lifestyle and beauty blogger, but she's also vegan and a mom. So I was like, okay, let's try this and see how it works out. So let's try the recipe. So this is the tofu I bought. I bought it from Street Vegan. As you can see, it has no instructions whatsoever. So I had to figure things out. And I made a mistake by putting it in the deep freezer, which changed its texture. But yeah, we live and we learn. So firstly, I was told to press the tofu because there's a lot of liquid that comes out of it. You don't want to cook it with the extra liquid. There are also tofu presses, but obviously I don't have one because it's my first time trying tofu. So another thing is to be careful not to press too hard to keep the tofu intact. As you can see, there's a lot of liquid that comes out of it. It's quite squishy, but I'm just assuming that's because of me refrigerating it. Now I'm just gonna cut the tofu into small cubes and then season it. So to season it, you can use anything you prefer. I just use black pepper and barbecue spice. And then after, to add more flavor, I'm using tamari sauce, liquid smoke, and a garlic peri peri sauce. You can use any sauce of your choice. And then from here, we're just gonna put it in the oven. So firstly, I put it in for 20 minutes while I prepared the veggies. And then afterwards, I'm going to put it for another 20 minutes with the veggies in. So here we are, here it is. From here, I'm going to now fry them. You can use the same sauce you used before, but I just added extra Worcester sauce and the peri peri again. So this step, you're only going to just fry it for 5 minutes or so. And now once you're done here, you're basically done with your meal. It was very quick and simple and quite tasty. So there it is. There's my meal. It was quite dry, so I added more sauce after frying it again. Alright guys, that was my first tofu experience and it was nice. I really enjoyed my tofu. It was delicious. It was nice and crispy, full of flavors. I really loved it. But what I noticed was it's nicer when it's fresh. When I put it in a container, the leftovers I put in a container and put it away, and then when I reheated it and ate it again, it wasn't as crispy as it was, so that kind of put me off. But I don't know if it was because I froze it or because of the way I stored it. I'm not so sure, but I'm going to play around with it. I loved it, so I'm going to play around. I'm definitely going to try it again and then see how I like my tofu, but I definitely will try tofu again. And for those of you that want to see the video of Chick Natural, I'll link it in the description box so you can see what I was trying to replicate here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.